Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and left speaker. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the card reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the card reader board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the card reader board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the card reader board to the top cover. Lift the card reader board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the card reader board onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the card reader board to the top cover. Insert the card reader board ribbon cable into the card reader board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Apply pressure to the length of the card reader board ribbon cable to adhere it to the top cover.